I have 3 purple hyacinth plants. They are smell so good, fragrant flower, blooming very well, and they are perennial. Perennial means they come every year, every spring. If you plant once, means you are planting forever. So, and when you are planting nearby your entrance, they smell so good. So, all right, and I have other 2. I am planting 3. One thing I saw is that inside the flower, it looks so good. They are like yellowish petals. Okay, so I'm going to put here, and I'm going to plant them right here in the pot. Ready, doesn't need more time to plant them, and they will be flowering very, very soon. Right here, all beautiful root system, and then they don't need much care, by the way. They are pretty easy to take care, very hardy, and that's why bees are also around here. Oh, they want to be with the, I think they smell from very far, bees. Yeah, and then from in this particular one, I see another right here coming from the right at the bottom, right there. This baby flower is coming, it will be big too. Yeah, so yes, they are ready. I'm going to put water here. Bees are around here too. Bees love them. Yeah, so they are ready. I'm doing this for ecological cause. We are selling different type of plant for ecological cause. The money that we generate from plant sale, sometimes we give plant for free. We use that money to offer ecopreneurship and peace building education. Ecopreneurship means ecological entrepreneurship education for youth, because we think that when youth learn this soft skill or hard skill, they can become ecopreneur, ecological entrepreneur. They can make money, at the same time they can do something good for Mother Earth, they can do good for society. We need an alliance of youth who are working together for the betterment of this planet. So if youth are working and all other people are also involving in this type of work, we can address climate change issue and ecological crisis issues. So, all right, sounds good.